Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is the look today, and mainly it's the focus on the eye. So if you like the look, then keep on watching. So guys, I have already done my eyebrows and applied my regular moisturizer. Now I will start with the foundation. So I'm using the Luminous Plus Smooth Maybelline foundation in the shade 125. With the help of the sponge, I am applying it. Starting with the center of the face and applying it on the outward motion. I'm applying it in the pressing motion. Don't forget your neck. Using the orange shade of the MAC to color correct my under eye. Do this in the pressing motion also, so that it melts with the skin. Near the mouth area. Now using the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline. Applying over the eyelids. Now setting the foundation and the concealer with the loose powder. Just tapping it lightly wherever I need it. See, do the pressing motion. With the help of this, I'm lightly bronzing my face. Under the cheekbone, under the jawline, forehead. I'm contouring my nose with this small tapered brush. I'm joining it with the eyebrows. And I'm putting it on the crease also. I'm using this blush by Benefit. With the same powder brush. Lightly tapping it on the cheekbone. Since eye is the focus here, so I am keeping the blush very muted. I'm highlighting my face using these two colors. Very lightly. On the top of the cheekbones, on the nose, and on the forehead. Blending all of this with a clean brush. With the help of the brown liner, I'm lining my eyes. It's not necessary to be clean, then we will smudge it out. I'm putting the liner so that I can give the structure to the eyes, so that I can follow with the eyeshadow. Now taking those two brown shades and applying it on the crease. Taking those two shades on the lower lash line. Taking the orange and the light gold shade and applying it on the crease just to mix it well. Taking the light gold shade, putting it on the inner corner of the eyes and under the eyebrows. Now taking the MAC shadow and putting it on the eyelids with the help of a flat brush. Taking the fingers and applying it so it will be much more pigmented. Putting it on the lower lash line with the help of a clean brush. I'm blending everything together. Putting the brown liner again just to line my eyes. Now I'm applying the mascara by Maybelline. I hope you like this look. So if you like it, then like, share and subscribe. And if you want any other topic to be covered in some other videos, then please comment down below. And see you next time. Bye!